And you're probably wondering, what the heck is that?
What are you working with? SCT, Brownell's ported slide.
That dot on the target, and as long as you don't move your pistol, you will shoot where that dot is.
I think I want to shoot the Kimba next.
Welcome back, Double Stack 1911. This is going to be a quick video. I just feel compelled to bring this up. As many of you guys know, I have the LivefreeAromory Apollo 11 compact. As you can see here, right, unloaded, nothing in there. She is empty, right, pointing in a safe direction, nothing in there. A little dirty. I'll have to do another cleaning video. I replaced the grip. The old grip was this, and I replaced it with the, I think it's an aluminum grip. And, you know, I've never really given this pistol very good ratings. However, when it is working, it's working fine. It's very accurate. It shoots good. I think it looks awesome. It looks completely awesome. I have the O-Sight SE on there. Those sights are, you know, hit and miss, whatever. But overall, I said something about this gun that I thought that the module, the grip module, didn't fit very well. But that grip module actually does fit pretty good. The problem is the magazines that I was having, and that's what's compelling me to do this video. So when you put in Prodigy magazines, that one actually went in pretty good. Notice, no lockback. Well, I bought a Romulus, and I started off using these Prodigy mags, and what do you know? Excuse me. No lockback. But I also have some Kimber mags. Threw those Kimber mags in there, and whoop, oh, what is it? Well, I guess it's proving me wrong now. It's proving me absolutely wrong. No lockback on there either. Well, anyway, I did notice that a lot of times I will get lockback on Checkmate and other magazines, and especially these Kimbers. I don't know what was going on. This was pretty accurate here a little bit ago. I don't know why it's acting that way. But anyway, I did want to share that. Looks like maybe I was wrong there. But I have an issue on this pistol with regards to lockback. I don't know why. Again, I don't know why it's acting stupid right now. All right, I don't know if it has something to do with the hammer forward or not. Nope, it's nothing to do with it. But anyway, just to add a little bit of joy to this, I'll go ahead and test the trigger pull weight so you guys can see what the trigger is pulling at. And that is, I can't see it myself. 1, 2, looks like just under 3 pounds. Try it again. Same thing. That one's just over 3 pounds. The first one was just under. The second one was just over. Let's see what the third will do. That looks like just under 3 pounds as well. Just under, hair under. Like I said, when I'm shooting with this pistol, this firearm, no problem, all good. I'm a little bit disappointed now because I was getting very consistent results on the Kimber mags. Now it looks like I'm being made to look like an idiot here, but nevertheless, maybe it's when it's loaded or something. I don't know. It was working fine on the Kimmer banks. Well, that's all I wanted to share today. Like and subscribe. Also, once you guys help me, let's get up to 500 subscribers. Please share the video, comment, all of those good things. Thanks. Have a great day.